Nasisgaxa Sendaba. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Congratulations are in order for Beverly and her Jollof husband. So she took to her Instagram and posted herself in the hospital. She just gave birth. She gave birth to a baby girl. Congratulations, lover. Kodwa sikho lapho. Moving on to our next story. So the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture responded to the sad video kaMamNandi Nyembe. So asibona ukuthi kuyophelelaphi lokho, kodwa I'm happy that the minister responded. Kodwa I really strongly feel like kumele bawanake lama artists angasekho emehlweni ethu.
Pamela, Mama,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm alright, thanks and you, Peyton.
Oh, good. I've heard the bad news, man. The things are not going well at the moment.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, but I'm fine.
Is it?
I'm surviving.
No, thank you. I'm in Cape Town. Please give that young lady there that is there, give her your bank details, not somebody else.
Okay.
This is not a ministry. This is Kapileaka. This is just from me, Mama.
Okay, Papa.
Yes, it's not from the ministry. I see Celta government. Kita tlo bona in 2 weeks, maar kita romela ntwenga. E ka o tshwarang fela until ke fita mad. So for 2 weeks. Equal fela. Until ke fita la. Ke tel ke fita. Ha ke fita, kita lukisa dintho wohle kaofela. Maar for now, tshwara fela so move yone ke etse before ra o votela ko parliamenting. Kita tlo chaka. Maar Leone unke ube one side for dumpling li nama. Ha ke fita mani. Ke rata nama.
Yes,
Oh.
ice cream nyana for dessert.
Hala. O tsiba dintho. O ba rute ba ba. Wa tseba ka o fa metsi fela. Ke lebile mama ne. O tla bua le wena ntiki. And then in Tiki, you must work out the package. How are we going to help our mother? All right. Thank you.
Okay, Minister. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Sanibonani. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu kubantu abafikile bazongisiza. Yeah, sinabo abantu abasizayo ngempela la. So ngifuna ukubonga nabasafuna ukuza ukuthi beze bezonceda bezothini. Please, you are welcome to come and help.
If you feel like you want to help out umama, ulahlele nawo 5 rand, 20 rand, whatever amount onayo, here's her banking details. Please do feel free ukufaka noma imalini if you can. Moving on to our next story. Makulo sisi lo akafuna ukusala. She always wants to appear endabeni. She always wants publicity. Nakho kukhulu kuvela. She just decided ukuthi akasase isangoma, even wese yena ke bekawugobela. So she was initiating people ukungena ebungomeni, but manje she's disowning it. Uyasho ukuthi hayi cela ukusala bhoza yami. She's no longer isangoma, she is no longer egobela.
Sanbonani, this is Utumi Mutuni, known as Gogos Katini. I'm officially making this video to announce that I am no longer a traditional healer. I am no longer a sangoma. I am no longer practicing as a sangoma. I'm no longer doing consultations. I am no longer giving out isidliso. I'm no longer giving out imbiza, yonke nje lento. I'm no longer doing it. However, I'll forever acknowledge and respect my ancestors, and I'll forever believe in my ancestors, and I am a child of God. Yes, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will reach.
If you really do enjoy my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.